Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travelin' with Jay, and this is me Jenny. Hope you're doing fine. Today in this video I am going to discuss few important points relating to positive attitude, key to success. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the first is only use positive words while talking. What do we understand when we say positive words while talking? So let me give you few examples of positive words. Words like start, excitement, encouragement, mindful, peace, love. These kinds of words gives us positive attitude. So what happens when we use positive words? It gives the same positive energy to the person we are talking to, and also we get the same positivity that we have currently. So you have to be positive in whatever step you take towards achievement of your goals. So positive attitude and positive words are very important because it is already connected to our mind. One more thing which is connected to positive words is happiness and keep smiling, because it should always happen that whenever you meet someone, the other person should always feel happy after meeting you, because as I always say, keep spreading love. Believe you will succeed. This is very important, that we have to believe ourselves. Believing yourself is the most important part whenever you want to achieve a goal. First of all, let me ask you, have you set a goal? Maybe for next week, for next 6 months, or maybe after a year you want to achieve something. So for every goal that you have, you should believe yourself that you have everything, every bit of it to achieve that particular goal that you have chosen for yourself. So first of all, have a goal and believe that you will for sure succeed in the goal that you have chosen. Look for the opportunity. Why am I saying look for the opportunity? Because if you are not looking for an opportunity, you will never know if you have got an opportunity and you have missed it. So you have to be always be present, and you should not get afraid if an opportunity comes to you. Always be prepared and accept that particular opportunity, so that you do not regret later on that opportunity had come but you have not picked it at the right time. Before you can see an opportunity, you should be looking for an opportunity. Visualize a successful outcome. So what do we understand with the method of visualization? Visualization is very, very important whenever you have set a goal. What I'm trying to say when I say visualization? Visualization is creating a mental image of the goal which you have set for yourself. For example, if my goal is to win a marathon race, my visualization should be crossing the finish line and winning that race. So do you get me? Visualizing or creating a mental image of you yourself achieving that goal. So visualization of a successful outcome. See it from another point of view. So when I'm saying see it from another point of view, means as every coin has two sides, so there is always two sides of a story. If I have chosen a goal and if I am not successful in achieving that, then you will get depressed, and then you will have all the negative thoughts in your mind. Then you will say that all the hard work that you have spent in this particular months, it has all gone waste. So you should always be prepared with both the sides of the coin. I am not saying that set a negative aspect of the goal that you have set. First of all, we have to achieve it, but you should always be prepared. If any up and down happens in the way of your goal, then you should be well prepared for that as well. Don't dwell. What do we understand when I say don't dwell? As per our previous point that I have said, if any ups and downs happen and you met with a situation that is affecting you right now, So do not drag it. Instead, learn from your mistake and move to the next step. For example, our goal was to win the marathon race, and if I get hurt in my feet right now, I should not drag it and be in pain and depressed that I cannot run or something. Instead of that, I should get healed fast and I should be on track again. So that is very important, that if any failure or anything that is not as per your plan, and if any mishap happens, so you have to overcome it and you should be back on track, and don't dwell it or don't stretch the situation there. Stop being your own worst critic. It is always best to set high standards, to strive hard, and to dream big for yourself. So do not let other negative comments or nasty comments from a third person affect you right now. So anything that is stopping you from achieving your goal, do not get affected by those things. Do not let negative thoughts enter your mind and affect you right now. So stop being your own worst critic and put yourself or blame yourself with whatever mistake or anything that has happened wrong by yourself. So don't dwell in that. Truly believe you are the best at your job. Believe yourself, believe your job, believe what you do, and make yourself have one, that at the end of the day you have something to feel satisfied and feel content that whatever job you have done. So believe yourself and keep moving and do not stop. Always strive to keep moving and stepping towards your goal with positive attitude, and keep moving the ladder upward. So these were my few important points and thoughts about positive attitude towards success. If you find this information useful and you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Travelin' with Jay. Hope to see you soon. Bye. One more last thing I got to remember. If you have not set a goal, go and set it right now. And if you have any idea or any points that you wish to add in this particular video, please mention in the comments box. Thanks for watching.